Hi, this is Kon from Tech Simplicity. This is a video about what artificial intelligence is. Well, let's get into it. Well, to keep it simple, AI is a branch of computer science. For those that don't know what computer science is, it's the study of computers and computational systems. This of course implies a large variety of branches that fall under the specification, but today we're mostly interested in artificial intelligence. Most people usually misinterpret AI due to sci-fi movies, where they tend to exaggerate, or at least portray a future that is not here yet. We are still far away from actually anything that behaves in any way where machine can make intellectual decisions based on our literal thought process. In the contrary, AI today is mostly closer to an animal following simple commands. An example of this would be a dog. You can teach a dog what it means to sit, and the dog will understand what sit is and perform that action. This is actually very close to what AI is today. It's not about literally making intellectual decisions, but it's more of what something is and what is it not. There is no one algorithm that does it all. Instead, what we usually see is multiple algorithms working together to produce something like an intelligent decision based on a crazy amount of information. Crazy amount of information. You might be wondering, what do I mean with multiple algorithms? Well, as I stated previously, AI it's more like a dog learning a trick. In the computer science sense, it's basically us humans teaching a machine what trick to do. But since machines understand only numbers, or otherwise known as zeros and ones, then algorithms mostly convert human readable data, such as a text, to these numerical values so other computations can take place. Then what better trainer to use other than machine learning algorithms? I am assuming that based on the name you get what they do. Basically, they help us teach machines. Now, there are many algorithms that use complex mathematics and probabilities based on the information given to produce the ultimate result that in most cases it's something we want to know. A good example that probably everyone has seen but never considered as such is the face detection on almost everyone's mobile phone. Have you never thought how the camera is placing a square around the face? Hmm? That was done by feeding a machine with thousands or even hundreds of thousands of faces and asking it every time to draw a square around the face. After thousands of faces of training, now we provide a new face and we ask it to draw a square around the face. And voila! Now we taught a machine how to find a face on an image or photo. Basically, photo is an image, but you get the idea. Usually, the more data we provide, the more accurate the result, or basically the prediction, in this particular case, on finding the face. This, of course, can be used in many decision-based concepts, and the possibilities can be endless. Like what the weather is it good or bad, is it gonna rain or not, is it sunny or not? Like in everything you can think that it has a decision, or in any way you can pose a decision as the concept of the question that we're asking. So basically, can he walk? Can he not? Is he old? Is he not? Then this probably can be trained to a machine. Algorithms similar to the one I mentioned previously is what it's making AI look like a lot more than it is. Of course, there are other crazy algorithms that learn by themselves, but we're gonna get more into this on another video. Thank you for listening to me and thank you for watching this video.